Hello everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Hey, your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican cooking journey. All my new subscribers, y'all know yourselves. Welcome and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. All my old subscribers that were there from the beginning of the journey, yeah man, you all know this, you used to this. Manners and respect. Big up on yourself. Boom. Yeah. O'Neill, my meat man, Crossroad Meat Market. Yeah man, big up yourself, my youth. Boom, fresh meat every time. Yeah man. Now, family, today I have here some minced beef. 3 pounds of minced beef, and all I have to it is some grated garlic, some grated onion, and a little grated ginger. You know all about that, how I do it already. So I want to show you all today how you can make some meatballs from scratch inside your kitchen. But the meat I'm using today is ground beef. So I told you, grated onion, grated garlic, grated ginger. Alright? We're going to do it herbsy. Just like a small amount of powdered seasoning. Alright. Right here, I have some scallion. The most part of the scallion I need is this part. So I'm going to take off this part for y'all. Because I need this part. So you want most of this part. So you're going to hold it. And you listen to me, family. You don't have to have the knife cutting skills. Inside the kitchen, do your thing. We want to get it as fine as possible. So you don't have to worry yourself about. Because to get yourself knife cutting skills, you have got to do some class or something. So nobody try and go cut off your finger. Because I never see knife at hospital. You understand? So just do your thing, man. Comfortable and do your thing. Don't worry yourself. Because me not have no need but me I do my thing. Here we go. So we're trying to get it as fine as possible because we want a lot of this inside of it. So you just cut it as fine as possible. And be careful, y'all. You be careful. Be careful. We want to get it as fine as possible to get it inside. Because we want to get our meatballs gummy, yummy, and most of all, flavorful with herbs and spices. Not with powdered seasoning. Alright, so you get going. Get right in on it. Let me show them. You know, you don't worry yourself about that. All we see doing that, them practice, and you can practice, you know, but you know it takes time. So the main aim here is to get your thing chopped the most finest way to how you can manage your knife. Use a sharp knife, but you all be careful. And I think I might just have enough for 3 pounds of minced beef. So what you can do when you got here, so you just use a knife and chop a little more. Just chop a little more. You see? Don't worry yourself about the knife cutting skills and all of that. Alright now. And a knife cutting thing with that and some food we I look about. Okay? Alright. So you get that inside there. If you can get it finer, go ahead. I have some grated onion as I tell you before. But I also want some chopped onions. So I'm going to go ahead and get my own chop. Slice it first and then I'm going to chop it after. Slice it thin and then you just use around your knife and chop it. Oh, you can, family. Do your thing how you can. Remember, I tell you, your kitchen. Right? So we don't want to do no whole knife cutting skills. And when we finish the thing, not ready with the taste. So the taste we are look for, not the knife cutting skills right here. Okay, so look what I do. Me don't have no skill, just like you all out there who don't have the skill. So look at what I do. I want to get it chopped fine, so I just slice it up. And you lift up your knife. This is not hard to do. And you chamber around. My mother used to say chamber. So you just help yourself. See it here? Make a little mess, but you don't know say a kitchen we get nothing wrong with that. Huh? Alright. And your table clean like that. So some get onto your table, you scoop it up, because you know we always clean the work area at a time. You all know that. Okay, so we finished chop. So this can come out of the way. Alright now, let me get my hands a little hot to rinse there. Oh, we have sweet pepper here, family. Sorry. We have some bell pepper here that we want a little flavor. Because you know this thing, you have a nice flavor. But we don't want too much because it's not as strong. So we don't want a lot of it in here. Right? So you slice it thin like this. It's just 3 pounds. This thing is it has a very strong flavor. But we want to taste. It has a nice flavor. So when you want, you know, small piece of it give you a lot of flavor. Now we can take another little piece. Yeah. Family, be careful. You're using a super duper sharp knife like mine. Please be careful, y'all. Yeah, we're there. We have a little sweet pepper and something like that. With a little bell pepper or whatever. Yup. Give them a shot. Make them see what we look like right in there. That's what we look like. Now, y'all, I'm just going to use some all-purpose Maggi seasoning. And remember 3 pounds? I'm using about like a tablespoon. No more. I'm putting in, y'all, some black pepper. That's good. I have some crushed red pepper seeds. And I'm putting all in some for you. Like that? Alright. We want some flavor to this thing. We have some dry parsley. We're dumping in some. Yeah? Herbsy and nice. Okay? We have a little cumin powder here. But be careful. Because cumin is really strong. So we want that. About 1/8 of a teaspoon of cumin. Real strong. Slapping in 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons each of refined breadcrumbs, not the coarse one. Slapping in about a teaspoon of pimento powder or crushed pimento or something like, yeah, crushed pimento. Cracking in, y'all. Supposed to be about 3 eggs in it, but these are small. So we're cracking in 4. That's 2. That's 3. Yeah. 4. Meatballs, messy thing, family. But nice. So here we go. So we have, and we're slapping in a little cayenne pepper. No salt as yet. So we have it. There we have it. Black pepper, all-purpose cayenne, crushed bell pepper, crushed red pepper seeds, cumin, parsley, breadcrumbs, herbs, and all of that. And we're going right in. We're gonna get this incorporated right in, y'all. Okay? We're gonna put in about a teaspoon of salt. And to them, family, this is sea salt, but go low, because I really don't care whether sea land or air. Salt is just salt. So you put on your gloves now or your ziplock. Look at this. We have oil over there preheating. I'm going to show you how I roll. When I roll, I'm not going to let anything seep and plastic, nothing, put it in the fridge to marinate. So we're going right in here. Get in. Right in. As we're getting our oil preheated, we have some seasoned flour over there. And we're going to get right in. Look at this, family. You're blending in. Blending in, y'all. Right in. Herbs of every class. And family, if you have some fresh thyme, I didn't have. Remember, if you have a little fresh thyme, you could. I didn't have. Sorry. And you know I am going to taste. Because I want my salt perfection. You see, because I never use no whole heap of powdered seasoning, family, I need a little more salt. I need another teaspoon of salt. For you all who are using the powdered seasoning, you know, I don't think you would want any salt. Because all of them, they are filled with salt. You see the yumminess of it already? So now, you need another bag or another glove for this hand. This is the hand now. You're using the other one onto. We're going to proceed to making meatballs from scratch. If you want to make them smaller, you do it. You use a tablespoon, you scoop it up, form your balls. Here you go. Into your seasoned flour. Form them to your liking, your size, your shape. Yup, in there. Oil has been heated. We're going to sort of semi-deep fry them off. Yep. Right in. Put them in there. Waiting on our oil over here to get all heated. Am I going too fast for y'all? Come on. Get right in. You use the spoon to shape. You chop and you go along. Sometimes you go in the supermarket and they're all made there for you. Bally and nice. But this is how I do mine. Right? So, we're doing one more for you all. And our oil seems to be almost ready. So what happened now? We're going to flour them off to start frying. Get right in. Our oil is hot, I can feel it. So you flour it as you would with your chicken. Don't mind the mess, family. And you shake off the excess, keeping it in a ball at all times. In we go. Excess flour off, keeping it in a ball. Balling it off at all times. Shaking off the excess flour. Balling it off. In we go. And family, when you see us next in part 2, you see how we all finish all of these by balling them up, flouring them, and when you come back, you'll see they'll all be fried off. And then you'll see from there, we're going to make you all a sauce, and then the rest will be left to come. Okay, y'all?